Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about C program to find first and last digit of a given number in C programming. It is one of the most important program that can be commonly asked in campus interviews and NPTEL examinations. Now we have to start writing the program. Hash include stdio.h. Hash include conio.h. Void main. Int n comma first digit comma last digit. CLR SCR. Printf enter n value or enter the given number. Scanf percentage d double quotes and ampersand n. Last digit equal to n modulus operator 10, while n greater than or equal to 10, n is equal to n divided by 10. Here first digit is equal to n. Printf first digit of a given number is percentage d double quotes and comma first digit. Printf last digit of a given number is percentage d double quotes and comma last digit. Once we are finding the first and the last digits, we have to add them. Sum is equal to first digit plus last digit. Now printf sum of first and last digit of a given number is percentage d double quotes and comma sum. Next one, get ch. Now main function close. Here we have to declare one more variable, sum equal to 0. Okay, this is the program. First we have to save this program. Now we have to compile this program by using Alt plus F9 command. We are getting 0 errors and 0 warnings. Now we have to run this program by using Control plus F9 command. I am giving 5876. So see this one. First digit of a given number is 5. Last digit of a given number is 6. And the sum of first and last digit of a given number is, so 5 plus 6, that is equal to 11. Okay. So one more time I am compiling this program. We are getting 0 errors and 0 warnings. We have to run this program. Enter the given number. Now I am giving 9872. See this one. First digit of a given number is 9. Last digit of a given number is 2. Sum of first and last digit of a given number is 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Okay. Now we have to explain the program. Hash include stdio.h. This is a header file, standard input output header file. It contains the printf and scanf functions. Hash include conio.h, console input output header file. It contains the functions clr ser function and getch function. Whenever we are using printf function and scanf function, clr ser function and getch functions, we have to include these two header files to our program. Next one, void main. So void is an empty data type. Every C program execution starts with the main function. Main function does not return anything, so that we have to write void before the main function. Now here we have to declare the variables. So n, first digit, last digit, sum is equal to 0. Okay. In the variable n, we have to store the given number. That number is integer data type. Now in that number, we have to find out the first digit, so that we have to declare first digit. We have to find out the last digit of a given number, so that we have to declare the variable called last digit. Once we are finding out the first and last digits, now we have to find out the sum of first and last digit, so that we have to declare variable called as a sum. Its data type is integer. Initially sum value is equal to 0. Next one, clr ser function, it clears the output screen. Next one, printf, enter the given number. So that number can be read from the keyboard by using scanf function. Now, so here that number can be taken as 5876. 5876. This is the given number that are read from the keyboard. Now, how to find out the last digit of a given number? To find out the last digit of a given number, we have to use a operator called modulus operator. So by using that modulus operator, we have to find out the last digit of a given number. So that means 5876 can be modular division with 10. It returns the remainder value. Okay, 5876 can be divided with 10. So what is the remainder value we are getting? That remainder value is 6. Okay, so 6 is the last digit of a given number. Okay, so to find out the last digit of any given number, we have to use the modulus operator. That number can be modular division with 10. Whatever the remainder value we are getting, that remainder value can be treated as the last digit of a given number. Okay, next. Then how to find out the first digit of a given number? To find out the first digit of a given number, we have to use this while loop and next one more statement. Okay, here 5876 is greater than or equal to 10. So this is a condition true. If this condition is true, the control goes to the statement within the body of the while loop. So here 5876 can be divided with 10. What is the value we are getting? 5876 can be divided with 10. We are getting 587. Okay, quotient value. Quotient value is 587. So once again, the new n value we are getting, that is 587. Initially n value is 5876. After getting first iteration in while loop, new n value can be obtained, that is 587. Okay, now the new n value is we are getting as 587. Again we have to check the condition. What is the new n value we are getting after first iteration of the while loop? 587. 587 greater than or equal to 10. So condition true. If this condition is true, then the control goes to the body of the while loop and execute the statement within the body of the while loop. So n is equal to n by 10. Now n value is 587. So 587 can be divided with 10. What is the value we are getting? So that is 58. After iterating the second iteration of the while loop, what is the new value of n we are getting? That is 58. Again we have to check the condition of while loop. Okay, so now n value is 58. 58 greater than or equal to 10. So 58 greater than or equal to 10, condition true. If this condition is true, then the control goes to the body of the while loop and execute the statement within the body of the while loop. So 50 n is equal to n by 10, n value now 58. 58 divided by 10. What is the value we are getting? That is equal to 5. The new n value is 5 we are getting. Again we have to check the condition at the while loop. So new n value is 5. 5 greater than or equal to 10. 5 greater than or equal to 10, that is a condition false. If this condition is false, if this condition is false, the control goes to the next statement after the while loop. So what is the new n value we are getting? Here the new n value is 5 we are getting. That 5 can be assigned to the variable, that is first digit. Okay, so now first digit value is 5 and the last digit value is 6. Okay, now we have to print the printf first digit of a given number is, so that is 5 is printed. Next one, printf last digit of a given number is, last digit value is 6. Okay, now we have to find out the sum of first and last digit, that is 5 plus 6, so that is equal to 11. That 11 can be assigned to the variable on the left hand side, that is a sum. Now we have to print the sum of first and last digit of a given number. So what is the value here? That is 11 we are getting. Okay, so this is, in this way we have to explain the logic of C program for finding the first and last digit of a given number. After that, we have to find out the sum of first and last digit of a given number. I hope all of you understanding this video. If you really understanding this video, please click on the like button and please forward this video to your friends and classmates, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Devvela Srinivasa Rao. If you have any doubts, please put your doubts in the comment section. I will try to clarify your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. After subscribing my YouTube channel, so click on the bell icon to get the future updates in my YouTube channel. Thank you one and all for watching this video.